Bore da pawb, croeso cynnes iawn i'r cynhadledd. As Vice Chair of the Data Units Board, it gives me great pleasure to formally welcome you to the Cardiff City Stadium and our third national intelligence event, Tackling Poverty from Evidence to Action. We are really pleased that so many of you have joined us today, with around 250 attendees. To date, this is the biggest event the Data Unit has staged, and we look forward to a very successful day. I'm sure that in part the large attendance today reflects the significant interest in the subject matter. It is an issue which continues to be a key priority for local and national government and for our partners. I'm pleased that we've been able to put together a broad programme today, which includes looking at the evidence around poverty, mitigating its impact, and tackling its root causes. I'm also pleased that we have attendees from a wide range of public, private and third sector organisations. National and local collaborative approaches are needed if we are to successfully tackle this issue and make a real difference. I do want to take the opportunity this morning and mention the ongoing role of the Data Unit. I'm very pleased to have served as a member of the Data Units Board since its creation. I'm only 23. I have also been a firm advocate of the role of data and information. In local government, as in any other parts of the public sector, we face considerable challenges and will continue to do so for several years to come. In particular, we face financial constraints and increased public service pressures. I don't need to tell anyone that one, do I? Consequently, we have to continue to prioritise and take difficult decisions. It is important that such decisions are based on robust evidence. In my view, having an available resource such as the Data Unit is therefore more important today than it has ever been. While our resources in this unit are also under great pressure, we are committed to providing a range of support to local government which is valued and which remains responsive to your needs and to those of your colleagues. If you have any ideas on the subject of how the Data Unit can better support you, I encourage you to speak with our Director, Andrew, or other unit colleagues. Before I close, I want to thank a number of people. A very big thank you to all our sponsors for their support. Similarly, I would like to thank those organisations who are exhibiting here today. We do appreciate you joining us. Finally, I'd like to thank our fantastic lineup of speakers, those leading the breakout sessions, and of course the Data Unit staff who put so much effort into organising today's event. I'm sure there are certain people who sleep far more soundly tonight than they have done for the last few days. Just before I invite the ministers to speak, can I wish you all a stimulating and enjoyable day. It is now my pleasure to formally introduce our first speaker of the day, the Minister for Communities and Tackling Poverty, Lesley Griffiths AM. Welcome, Minister, and thank you for taking the time to be with us today.